If you landed on this video, chances are you are looking for the best possible deal on hosting or VPS hosting before you pull the trigger. Good news is you are in exactly the right place. I have been running my own websites on hosting or VPS for years now, so I know the platform inside out, and today I am walking you through how to get the maximum discount available anywhere on the internet right now. There are two ways to save on hosting or VPS. The first is my referral link, which gives you an extra 20% off on top of whatever promotional pricing Hostinger is already running. The second is the coupon code SOLO10, which gives you an extra 10% off. If you're doing the math, the referral link is literally double the saving compared to the coupon code. So there is no reason to settle for less. Always go with the 20% option. I have dropped my referral link in the description and pinned it in the comments as well. You will find it listed by country in your local language and currency. So just scroll down, find your country and tap that link. It takes you straight to the Hostinger official website. From there, head to the products or services tab in the top navigation bar. That will open up the full list of everything Hostinger offers, including all their hosting plans, AI tools, and business solutions. My referral discount works across every single one of them, not just VPS. For this walkthrough, I'm going into the VPS section. Once you click on VPS, you will see the full lineup: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. Each tier steps up in RAM, CPU, and storage. I am selecting KVM2 for this demo so you can see the discount apply in real time at checkout. The moment you reach the payment page, you will notice the extra 20% is already stacked on top of any existing offers. No manual code entry needed. One thing that makes a real difference: use a fresh email address that has never been registered with Hostinger before. That keeps you eligible for the best introductory pricing alongside the referral discount. Do that and you are walking away with the strongest deal possible. If this saved you money, drop a like and subscribe to the Hostinger coupon code channel so you never miss a deal update.